The Fox and the Stork. The Fox and the Stork. One day, a fox met his friend, the stork. After they talked for a few minutes, the fox asked the stork if she could come to his house on Sunday. Certainly, replied the stork. I can get there before 12 o'clock. Good, said the fox. I'm going to invite you to have dinner with me. On Sunday morning, the stork went to the fox's house. When she got there, the fox was setting the table. Come in, said the fox, and sit down. Dinner is almost ready. We're going to eat in a few minutes. The fox put some flour in a vase and set the vase on the table. Then he put two shallow plates on the table, and beside each plate he put a knife, a fork, and a spoon. Now, said the fox, put your chair close to the table. It's time to eat. Dinner is ready. I'm going to bring the soup from the kitchen. The fox went into the kitchen, came back with the soup. He put some soup in each plate and began to eat. The stork couldn't drink the soup from the shallow plate with her long bill, so he was hungry all afternoon. When the stork said goodbye to the fox said, You didn't eat very much. I'm sorry that you didn't like the soup. That's all right, answered the stork. It doesn't matter. It's a very interesting day, and I want you to come to my house next Sunday afternoon and have dinner with me. Next Sunday, the fox go to the stork house at 12 o'clock. When the stork opened the door, she said, Come on in and sit down on the table. Dinner is ready. Then she set two tall, narrow glasses on the table, put some soup in each glass, and set one of the glasses in front of the fox. The stork put her long bill in the tall glass, drank and drank, but the fox couldn't put his big mouth in the narrow glass, so he was hungry all afternoon. When the fox said goodbye, the stork said, I see that you ate very little soup. Do you want to hear that I am sorry?